Hello everyone, this is the developer of our dear kingdom. Then I will play a little bit of the game just to see and show you how to get going, how to start in case you are not succeeding. It's very simple, there is also a guide here, it's a very simple guide, but I think that most of the features are self-explanatory and you will not have big problems playing the game, but I am here. You can play, change options, load and older save files. Yeah, you can change the language, do lots of things, or change the map like this. This one's pretty nice. Let's play. I lowered the volume of the game a little bit, so you will not hear a lot of things, but I guess that's okay. So, at the beginning we have to place this. It's the central fire of the city. It doesn't really have a purpose right now. It had a simple purpose in earlier builds, but it has been removed. And maybe it will have some purpose in the later updates, but it's kinda nice for the center of the city, so I decided to leave it in. And this is the central castle. Now, here we can find the different type of buildings that we can build. Here there are the resources that we can have, and here there are two menus that are locked currently and we can unlock. Let's do it right now. Okay, what we can do, there are certain buildings that we can place anywhere and certain buildings that we have to place with a road. This is the road. We cannot place it anywhere. It has to start in a place that is connected to the center of the city. So here we go, like this. We can right now, this is a building that unlocks, as you can see, is the same icon. And here we go. And we unlock this menu. This allows to buy and sell resources for gold. Now there is, I think it's this one, yes. And here we have unlocked the other. This allows us to taxes the different citizens. Let's create a house or two, and let's get to work. One of the things that we can do is also like delete the buildings, but we don't need to do it right now. And we can do it here. Let's go here, and these buildings allows us to unlock the possibility of gathering woods. And here we have an icon. Here we go. Now some people will start to come out of there and it will go cutting down the trees. Once the tree has been cut, we will have more and more resources. Now there is a total of maximum allowable resources that we can have, and we can increase it with certain buildings. This one. There are other things like a bench that we can create to make our city better, some flowers, and certain buildings like this one that will increase the amount of wood that it will be created from each tree cut. But now they will be busy for a long time cutting everything, so let's increase the city a little bit. Let's go something like this, and we advance level. We can choose between one of these bonuses. For example, we can increase our stone. We don't have much stone, so let's do that. We are also pretty happy with our city, and let's go. This is not really a competitive game, it's pretty relaxing. You can really enjoy playing without really getting competitive. It's not something we can see every day right now. At least I don't see it every day in other games. This allows us to go and have our citizens going and gathering some stone. We will also have some gold by either selling right now or having taxes. The taxes are already bringing some gold, not much. Now let's go on food a little bit, and here we go. Now, a few of the work of each citizen, it's something that I like it this way, but it might change in the future, we'll see. It's done in a chronological order. So since at the beginning we set this as the beginning jobs, all the citizens will go there, complete this task first, and then we'll go do the other jobs. There is no like a priority list right now. And there is also not really any way of losing the game, so I don't think that is a big problem. Let's go and create more houses. There are also multiple types of houses, like this one is bigger, let's create one here. And so, well, this is, I think it's a pretty good beginning. We don't have much wood, but we will cut it and create it. And once they have got the wood, they will go gather some stone and start planting and gathering some food. We also have a little bit of food, so it's not like we need to rush and bite. But yeah, I think this is a pretty good beginning, and this is a simple start of the game. There are also a few buildings here that allow us to increase our happiness, and this one that will allow us to fight against monsters. As I said, it's a simple game. There is not really that much to do, but it's also kind of by design like this right now. And yeah, I hope you're gonna be able to have a nice time. Also, to gather this as food, you just have to build something near them, and that's it. After a while, there will be a dragon and a sea monster that will attack. After a short amount of time they will go away, but if you want to fight them, you can always do it. So I hope that you had a nice time and you understood what I said. And yeah, I hope that you are going to buy my game or play it. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.